Print the given string in reverse order. For example, see this. Printing on, just printing we are doing. Print the given string in reverse order. For example, if you enter welcome, output has to print EMOC LEW. This is the output. If you want to print length also, you can print. Yeah, guys. See how to print this. Print a given string in reverse order. EMOC LEW. Okay. This is the question, guys. Right. If you want to print reverse order, you should print from which location, guys? From sixth location. Okay. A of 6, A of 5, A of 4, A of 3, A of 2, A of 1, A of 0. Now I'll start from C. It's not correct. I am going to write this. I equals to 6. Why I equals to 6? Is a welcome, right? 6. A of 6, A of 5, A of 3. I want to print reverse order. This is what I minus minus. Okay. From here, what is the last null character won't be there, right? From reverse order. Yeah, what you have to print? We are printing from null character onwards. E, M, O, C. A of 6, A of 5, A of 4, A of 3, A of 2, A of 1, A of 0. Till A of 0. What is A? Sorry, till A of 0, right? Till 0. Now we have to print I greater than or equals to 0. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now see once, if I execute this, welcome, if I enter, see this, it is printing E, M, O, C, L, E, W. Okay, now that is if you don't want slash n, guys, if you don't want slash n, remove the slash n. Okay, if you don't want slash n, remove the slash n. Yeah, now I entered welcome. See this. Now it is printing E, M, O, C, L, E, W. But if I enter welcome, that is okay, guys. But I won't enter always welcome, right? If I enter hello space world, then see the output. What is printing? From W onwards, it is printing. From here onwards. But what about remaining content? It's not printing, right? You can't take here 6. Directly you can't take 6, right? What is here 6 here? Length. Length minus 1. How many characters are there? WELCOME. 7 characters. You should print from length minus 1. Here what you have to write? Length minus 1 you have to write. Why length minus 1? 7 characters. From 6 onwards you have to print. Can I take a length, guys? Yes, length. Take a length, guys. Length equals to 0. Find out length. How to find out length? This how many character from 0 to null character. How many times you will execute? That many times count plus plus you have to write. For see this guy, I equals to 0. A of I not equals to A of I not equals to null character I plus plus. Yeah, what happens, guys? From 0 first W, right? This will execute length plus plus. Length plus plus. Print the length value. I am going to print a length. Length equals to what is the string length? Length equals to not required to print, but I am printing. Length value I am going to print, guys. Print a length. Okay. See this. How I am going to print a length. See, understood? This you understood, guys. From 0 to null character. W is not a null. Length plus plus 1. Next I plus plus. E is not a null. Yes. Length plus plus. L is not a null. Length plus plus. Welcome. C is not a null. Length plus plus. CO, right? It's not a length plus plus. Length plus plus. M also length plus plus. E welcome low, right? E also length plus plus. Whenever it is null, it come outside. What is the length? 7 times. Okay. Now 7 is the length. Once check the output, guys. See. Without using functions, we are writing whatever the programs. Yeah, without sleep also you can write. For your understanding, I am writing one character is prints, right? For your understanding, I am writing sleep function. Without sleep also we can execute. Okay. Any other doubts? Tell one program to write possible combination of given word. You are asking for permutations. Pawan, not now permutations. It's not required to write sleep function. Okay, one check it. Now if I enter the string, for example, hello space word. Now see 11 words. D, it is printing DL, R, OW, it is printing. See, world it is, and hello, OLLEH. Okay, you understood. Depends upon length. Length you have to require. From length onwards, I calculate a length. From length minus 1 onwards, it is printing. Okay, write this program. Guys, read a string, copy into another string. Okay, without using function. Try guys that program without using functions. Accept a string, copy into another string. By writing, yeah, how to copy one string to another string, guys, without using functions. Yeah, sleep without sleeping also you can write, but directly it shows the output. That is only I'm telling. Now see once, welcome if I enter, directly output will be printed. Okay, but it won't give a feel. It is reading one character and it's printed. Okay, now next one. Yeah, strf function we can use without using functions. These are okay. Whatever the programs you are going to write, that is without the functions. Yeah, take one more string, guys. Copy into another string. Now a of 20 and b of 20. I want to take a of 20 and b of 20, right? Now I want to enter a string. See this. We write a program. A of 20 and b of 20. Length not required. Just I is enough. Okay, see this. Now concatenation program you have to write, guys. First see this. Copy program I will write. Enter a string. How to enter a string? We enter the string. Result is what? B value I am going to print. I entered string. Result string is what? B. See once, can I print a result is a percentile s b value I am going to print. Directly I am printing. While using directly, మొత్తం print చేసేటప్పుడు percentile s b. One character if you are using b of I, a of I, like that. In the for loop is required. Now once run this string, if I enter welcome, see this. Now nothing is the result is something garbage value is printing because b of b nothing is there, right? Now see how to print string copy. Yeah, guys, this is string copy. This is I entered welcome, right? welcome, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5, a of 6, and a of 7 also. W you should copy into which location? B of 0, B of 1, B of 2, B of 3, B of 4, B of 5, B of 6, B of 7. Right, like this. B of 0 equals to this is a B of 0, right? B of 0 equals to A of 0. And this is a B of 1. This location you should copy. E value should copy. B of 1 equals to A of 1. In this location, B of 2 equals to A of 2. B of 3 equals to A of 3. B of 4 equals to, like this you have to copy. B of 0, B of 1 equals to B of 2 equals to B of 3 equals to nothing but a B of 5 equals to A of 5. Which value you should copy? From 0 to null character. Null also you should copy, right? What should this diagram also you have to draw? See once. One character how to copy. Are you following us? Two strings, sir. For we are copying which location to which location? 0. Why 0? From this W, I entered this WLCOME into A. This value should copy into B. A value, A of 0 value should copy into B of 0. A of 1 value should copy into B of 1, right? For I equals to 0. A of I not equals to null character. Till null character we should copy. Okay? I plus plus. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, till null character you have to print. Now what I am copying? B of I equals to A of I. Why B of I? B of 0, B of 1, B of 2, like this, that value. Which value will be copied? B of 0 equals to A of 0. First value will be copied. B of 1 equals to A of 1. Everything you are copying, guys. Character copying. Once execute, here one small mistake is there. Can you guess what is the mistake? Guys, see this. Can you tell me why that mistake is coming?
This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, guys. Can you tell why it's not printing? Right? See, here I entered this. Okay. Now if I enter hello space world, I entered. See, can you see why that other characters are printing? What is the mistake? Can you guess? Guys, why those characters are printing? Are you understanding why that mistake is coming? I entered hello world only. Hello world should come, but it is printing extra characters also, right? No, not required. Sayash. If you use for loop also same thing will be printed. One character also it will prints. Entire string also one will be printed. Nothing different. మీరు ఒక్కొక్క క్యారెక్టర్ ప్రింట్ చేసినా మొత్తం ఒకేసారి ప్రింట్ చేసినా నథింగ్ డిఫరెన్స్. ఓకే, బట్ కంటెంట్ సేమ్ ఉందా లేదా, కంటెంట్ బట్టి మనకు అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. యా, హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మిస్టేక్ గైస్? సీ, యా సంబడి, garbage value is printing. Yes, garbage value is printing. Why is garbage value? See, here we are copying what? I'm copying W also, you are copying, right? Yes, copied. W copied, E copied, L copied, C copied, O copied, and M copied, and E copied. Does it copying a null character or not? It's not copying null character, right? That's why remaining values or garbage values will be there, right? Every string should ends with a null character. Null character also should copy here. Okay, but whenever it is null, it is coming outside. See this, if it is a null, it is coming outside. That should assign null character. How to assign null character? See this, b of I equals to, manually we are assigning y b of I. When it comes outside, if I is 7, phi is 7, it comes outside. Phi is 7 because it's a null character, it's come outside. B of I, what is B of I outside? B of 7. B of 7, you should assign null character. This is what externally you are assigning null character. Externally, right? Externally assigning null character. We should assign this manually or externally. See this, in the loop it won't assign null character. Every string rule is what guys, మీరు మాన్యువల్ గా కాపీ చేసేటప్పుడు, when we are copying manually, we should assign null character at end. మీరు ఎంటర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా తీసుకుంటది. వైల్ ఎంటరింగ్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు గెట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇక్కడ అంటున్నారు కదా, ఇఫ్ ఐ ఎంటర్ వెల్కమ్, ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ గార్బేజ్ వాల్యూ ఎంటర్ ప్రెస్ చేయగానే గార్బేజ్ వాల్యూ తీసుకుంటుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్, బై ప్రెస్ ఎంటర్ గార్బేజ్ వాల్యూ విల్ బి స్టోర్డ్. బట్ ఏరియా దాంట్లో కాపీ చేస్తుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్, ఏలో స్టోర్ అయిపోతుంది నల్ క్యారెక్టర్, బట్ బిలో వెన్ వీఆర్ కాపింగ్ ఇట్ టు బి, యూ షుడ్ కాపీ నల్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ బి ఆఫ్ ఐ ఈక్వల్స్ టు నల్. రైట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ and draw this diagram also. How I wrote two strings I have taken. This is A, this is B. Okay, same diagram. Draw the diagram also. Now we can understand. After some days you cannot understand. That's why take the diagram also. Complete a program. Draw this diagram. Next one, string concatenation, guys. Write string concatenation program. String concatenation. Yeah, two strings you have to take, guys. Two strings. This diagram completed, right? Yeah, guys. How to print? Likita, I will discuss. Okay. Yeah, string concatenation, guys. How to do string concatenation? Two strings you have to enter, guys. Two strings. Enter first string hello and enter second string. First I will enter two strings first. Take a of 20 and b of 20. All variables, what are variables required, I will tell you. Okay, length is 0. Why length is 0 also I will tell you. First enter the first string. Enter first string. Two strings we have to concatenate. For example, hello, one string is hello, second string is world. Output should come. This is the enter second string. How to enter second string? Gets of b. I entered a and b value. See, the a is a hello, b is what? World. It is what ended with null character. Okay. This also ends with null and this also ends with null. Okay. Now world should come, right? Hello world should come. What should we do? This w, this world you should add this end at end. Which location, guys? For example, hello I entered, right? A of 5. A of 5 is a null character. From A of 5 onwards, you should copy. Which one you have to copy? W. Which location you should copy? A of 5. O should copy in the A of 6. This value should copy in A of 7. Nothing but A of 5 equals to, what is A of 5? B of 0 value should come. A of 5 equals to B of 0. A of 6 equals to B of 1. A of 7 equals to B of 2. A of 8 equals to B of 3. A of 9 equals to this value. A of 10. Null character you have to assign. First, what is A of 5 first? A of 5 is nothing but a length onwards you should copy. I equals to length you should take. A of 5 equals to B of j. I start from length 5, 6, 7, 8. J should start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First, find out the length of this. How to find out length of this? Already we have written, right? Length plus plus till first character to last character. Find out length plus plus, guys. Length, calculate the length. Length plus plus. No need to print the length, right? Finally print the a value. How to copy this? See this. Now what is the length value? A is what? Result string is what? A only. We are printing this value should copy. Length I calculated. What is the length? 5. Okay. A of 5 equals to B of 0 you have to write. A of 6 equals to B of 1. This location. Two values required. I and j value. I should start from where? I is starts from 5, 6, 7, 8. I value should increase. I is from length. J should start from 0. 0 should copy B of 1, B of 2, B of 3, B of 4, B of 5. Whenever it is null, you should stop. B of j is a null, we should stop. See this. Now I am copying, guys. How to copy? See this. How to copy? For I equals to ij values required, guys. Ij values. I is how much, guys? Tell me, guys. I is length, right? J is how much? 0. J should start from 0. I is length, J is 0. Both values you can write in the for loop. Okay. In the for loop, I told you how to write how many values you can take. B of j not equals to null. Till B of j not equals to null. We have to write till B of j not equals to null. I plus plus, comma j plus plus. Both should copy. Okay. I is the length. I is length. I is length means how much? 5 it is, a of 5. Okay, j should start from 0. J should start from 0. B of 0, B of 1, B of 2, B of 3, B of 4, B of 5. Nothing but a of 5 equals to B of 0, a of 5 equals to B of 0, a of 6 equals to B of 1, a of 7 equals to B of 2, a of 8 equals to B of 3, a of 9 equals to B of 4, a of 10 equals to, we should copy. This is a of 5, a of 6, a of 7, a of 8, like this we should copy, guys. How to copy? A of I equals to nothing but a B of j. We should copy B of j. See this. Yeah. But one small mistake, same like previous program. Okay, see once. Once execute, one error, j is not declared. Undefined symbol j. Declare j also, guys. If you are using any value, should declare first. Enter first string. I entered hello. It's okay, guys. This is what? B is a world. Now I entered world. Now see the ones. Hello space world. Space you did not give, that's why space you did not get. But what is the last value? Garbage values, right? I told you what should copy. Last value should assign null. Which value you are copying? Is a of 5, a of 6, a of 7, a of 8, a of 9, a of 10, a of 11 value. What is a of 11? A of 5 value we should copy. A of 5 equals to externally we are assigning null character. Assign null character here. You understood? Now enter hello space. If I give space, now I have given space, guys. World. If I give space, we get space. I have given space. If you did not give space, you won't get space. That is your wish. Okay. Write this and draw this diagram. Same. Hello and world. You should copy W value, right? B of 0 value copied and we write everything. Yeah, guys. Write this program.